Now we'll discuss about your D flip-flop, finding excitation table for a D flip-flop. So now same way as we have discussed for SR flip-flop, we are going to discuss for your D flip-flop. Now this is going to be the truth table rewind. Like we have already discussed about the operation of D flip-flop, same truth table. So Qn plus 1 remains same as D for your present state of 0 or 1. So 0, 0, 1 and 1. This is your characteristics table, we say truth table, or we call it as your characteristics table of a D flip-flop. So now using your characteristics table of a D flip-flop, you have to go on for framing the excitation table. Excitation means that it is input. What is going to be your input? So the input is nothing but D. You need to find what is D. How you can find D? You should know what is Qn plus 1. So unknown value is D and known value is Qn and Qn plus 1. So now let me just go on for making a table. Qn plus 1 and D. We are going to find what is D. This Qn is nothing but present state. Qn plus 1 is your next state, and this is nothing but your input. So now when there are only two states you have, there is possibility of having only conditions like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So now this is going to be much simpler because everything is available in your characteristics table directly. Now find for 0 and 0. So 0, 0, your D is found to be 0, and for 0 and 1 your D is found to be 1, and for 1 and 0 D is found to be 0, and same way for 1 and 1 D is found to be 1. So now every time we go for this is called as your excitation table, and when there are two inputs only, in that case we need to concentrate much. If there is going to be only one input, it is much easy to take your excitation table from your characteristics table. So every time this is going to be very important when you are going for designing a sequential circuit. So sequential circuit design is going to be done only by using your flip-flop. Only by using your flip-flop. So it can be either SR flip-flop or D flip-flop or JK flip-flop or T flip-flop. So you need to know. Now we have already discussed about SR flip-flop. Now we have discussed about D flip-flop, and we'll continue in designing or finding the excitation table for JK flip-flop and T flip-flop one after the other. T flip-flop you can make it, but even then I'll just make it and show. So JK flip-flop we'll just see next.